Do you and your partner or spouse want to save for huge ambitions, or do you want to make more money each month? We compiled a list of the finest side hustles for couples to assist you. Because it's never a bad idea to look for new ways to make money. Choose a side business that aligns with your interests to get started. It's also a good idea to choose one where you can put your existing skills to use. Let's get into some great ideas below. 1. Event planning and coordination service. If you enjoy throwing parties, event planning could be a good fit for you and your significant other. It's an excellent side hustle for people with an eye for detail and excellent organizational abilities. To begin, create a portfolio. It could be photos from activities you've arranged for family and friends. Begin networking with caterers, photographers, DJs, bands, and other event professionals as well. 2. Manage other people's rental properties. Many people seek passive income from rental homes but don't want to deal with tenant difficulties on a regular basis. That is why property managers are in such high demand. It entails locating and managing tenants for a rental property. You will conduct background checks on prospective tenants. You'll also collect rent and handle concerns like clogged toilets and malfunctioning heaters. 3. Become travel tour guides. Are you and your partner the type of folks that enjoy showing guests around your city? Do you like meeting new people? Then you and your companion can work as travel tour guides. You may conduct walking tours. Allow your personality to shine through when creating unforgettable experiences for guests. You may also join sites like Tours by Locals to help you acquire customers. 4. Be an entertainment duo. You brilliant couples out there can make a living as an entertainment duet as a side job. It is possible to make money by providing live entertainment for parties and gatherings. You won't need much money to get started, and you can simply run it from home. Make your services available for special events such as birthdays, anniversaries, and weddings. You could also play at social gatherings such as graduations, trade exhibitions, conventions, and other types of gatherings. 5. Become wellness coaches. There's a lot of fitness and health stuff out there, especially on social media. However, other people prefer an in-person and personalized approach. You'll discover clients who want to participate whether you teach dancing, yoga, meditation, or offer personal training sessions at a gym. Find a fitness activity that you both enjoy and consider doing group sessions with other couples. 6. Sell at farmers markets. A farmers market is an excellent place to sell your items if you or your partner are a baker, jam maker, or gardener. At these markets, you can also offer arts and crafts such as charcuterie boards and artwork. Renting a room is inexpensive, so it will not significantly increase your spending. The best thing is that farmers markets connect you with clients who value and seek out local and artisan items. 7. Food or coffee truck business. Are you a fantastic cook who aspires to run a restaurant or cafe someday? What about starting with a food truck? To start a food truck, you'd need to do a lot of study. You'll want to understand what your customers are looking for. Next, research what is presently available to learn about your competition. Even though starting a food truck is less expensive than operating a restaurant, substantial capital is required. Because you will be selling food and beverages, you must obtain the required permissions and follow all requirements. But don't despair. Food trucks can be profitable, and with the appropriate planning, you can turn yours into a profitable business. 8. Rental side hustle. Apps now allow you to rent practically anything. RVshare allows you to rent RVs or campers. Turo and Fetch are apps for renting out cars and trucks. You can also go to Fat Llama to find additional goods that people are looking for. These side hustles are easier with two people because you may rotate picking up and dropping off stuff. Cleaning automobiles and campers after each usage is also faster, which could save you money during peak season. 9. Photography business. There are numerous methods for couples to supplement their income through photography. For example, one can handle booking and customer communication while the other handles photo shoots, editing, and printing. You can also give cosmetics, costume, and wardrobe consultations if one of your partners is skilled in these areas. Furthermore, if you want to cover weddings or events, working as a team is preferable to working alone. 10. Upcycle furniture. While IKEA is nice, shoppers also want high-quality furniture at a reasonable price. Furniture flipping is an excellent side business for couples who enjoy crafts and woodworking. Refinished furniture can be simply sold on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Customers will buy your things faster if you offer delivery. Yard sales, flea markets, and estate sales are great places to discover goods to upcycle. Typically, they will need to be cleaned, repaired, and repainted before they can be sold. When flipping furniture, consider pieces that are composed of sturdy wood. 11. Flip houses. Flipping houses is a side hustle that requires a significant investment, not only in sweat equity but also in money. So think carefully before selecting this one. Looking for a house to flip requires assessing the cost of renovation. Make sure you can sell the house for a profit before you acquire it. Then you must finish the renovation and stage the house for sale. It's one of the side hustles for couples that might really pay off if you have construction and design knowledge. If you like the idea but want to take your time, you could also do a live-in flip. It means living in the home while you do the work, then selling it for profit once you're done. 12. Airbnb hosting. There are two methods to begin hosting Airbnb with your significant other. The most common method is to rent out a portion of your home, such as a basement, loft, or spare room. You can simply supplement your monthly income by booking through Airbnb. The other alternative is to purchase another house to utilize as a rental, which would require additional capital. However, you will not have to share your home, and you may be able to earn more money by renting out a complete apartment or house. 13. Lawn care service. Starting a landscaping business with your partner is another method to generate consistent extra income. Lawn care and gardening services such as mowing lawns, trimming plants, weeding, mulching, and planting can be offered. Lawn maintenance is a great side hustle for couples who enjoy working outside. 14. Pet sitting. You may also consider dog walking and pet sitting if you enjoy working with animals. It's a side hustle that doesn't require much money to get started. You may find pet owners through applications like Rover and Wag, or you can market your services by placing posters around your neighborhood. And the two of you can care for more pets while doubling your profits. 15. Pet grooming. Do you adore animals but want to do something other than pet sit? Then there's pet grooming. To begin started, you'd need some funds. You can save money on rent if you have extra space in your home. You may even consider getting a pet grooming truck. Your customers may be busy pet owners who would prefer that you come to them and care for their pets on their property. 16. Cleaning service. Cleaning and arranging can be calming for some people. Starting a cleaning service could be one of the most enjoyable side hustles for couples who adore cleaning. To commute to work, you must have a dependable vehicle. But, aside from cleaning supplies and possibly a heavy-duty vacuum cleaner, you won't need much money to get started. Advertise your services on your community's Facebook groups. Alternatively, you can provide your services to restaurants, stores, and businesses. 17. Reselling. Another enjoyable extra hustle for couples is reselling. It is ideal for those who have the time and desire to peruse garage sales and thrift stores. Choose objects that are either unusual or popular. Then, take photos and sell them on Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay. 18. Provide childcare services. There is an urgent need for childcare services right now. Babysitting is a great side employment for couples who enjoy spending time with children. You may offer to watch the kids in the evenings or on weekends so that parents can catch up on chores or errands. Advertise your services to local parent organizations or schools. You can also find clients by creating a profile on sites like Care.com and SitterCity. And with two of you, you can take in more children and earn more money. 19. Blogging. Do you or your partner know more about a subject than the average person? Do you want to share your knowledge with the rest of the world? Blogging is one of the best side hustles for couples who are good at both writing and digital marketing. Despite the fact that 77% of internet users read blogs, there are over 600 million blogs on the internet. As a result, the competition is fierce. To gain enough followers and become a profitable blogger, you must first establish yourself as a reliable source. 20. Start an online shop. Another wonderful side business idea for couples is to open an internet store. From t-shirts and memorabilia to lectures and conferences, you can sell almost anything. Etsy is a great location for artistic couples who create one-of-a-kind products such as gifts, decorations, and furniture. Shopify is yet another platform for selling vintage items, digital products, and anything else. 21. Sell items on Amazon. You may sell on Amazon with very little money. One popular method is to purchase discounted or clearance items online or in retail stores and resell them at a higher price. Another possibility is to manufacture your own products and sell them under your own label. Both can be lucrative. In fact, third-party seller items account for more than half of all Amazon units sold. Because there is still a lot of effort involved in selling, it may be easier to manage with two individuals. As a result, this is one of the best side hustles for couples. 22. Create online courses. People seek to master new talents as the gig economy and freelancing grow in popularity. That is also why there is an online course for almost everything. Do you or your partner have any special abilities? Can you break it down and explain it so that others can learn from you? Great! You can share your knowledge by creating online courses. Don't be concerned if you don't have a website. You can create your curriculum using sites such as Kajabi and Teachable. 23. Become YouTube channel hosts. Do you have information and talents to contribute but prefer to speak rather than write? Or maybe you're simply naturally amusing? Then hosting YouTube channels could be the ideal side hustle for you and your partner. Growing a YouTube channel following requires time and work, just like writing. It necessitates a monetization strategy as well as consistency. However, if done correctly, the earning potential is limitless. For a couple, starting a YouTube channel could be a terrific side venture because it makes the effort behind the scenes less lonely. Furthermore, your viewers may like the interaction with two people in the films rather than simply one. Earn additional income with our list of side hustles for couples. A side job or business is a great way to pursue your passions and interests while earning money. If we got you intrigued and excited about starting one, remember to also make a savings plan and learn to invest so your money can work for you.